All brand owners know the suffocating feeling when conversion rates keep dropping. It's something that it's hard to offset with adjusting bidding strategies or increasing the volume of inbound traffic to the site. Eventually, you will lose this battle if you don't cure the cause. There are two ways to increase conversion rate. The most obvious is conversion rate optimization. It's a great tool and delivers quick results. It can also have a compounding effect, but it rarely treats the underlying issue. The second method takes a lot longer, does not have direct results, but it is the single most important thing you can do for your business. It's investing in your brand. Most of this strategy involves things that have zero attributable income in addition to having a certain amount of time lag. Most finance departments melt down when you present them with this idea. But the most successful companies onboarded all C-suite leaders with this strategy. They understand that marketing does not sell. It creates opportunity in which you might sell. It is not directly attributable. You might only have the invested money and your bottom line for reference. Marketing is a system rather than just one omnipotent campaign where we find the best performing ad and give it infinite spend. In the digital marketing age, where huge ad platforms tell you how important they are, this idea is rather confusing. The reality is that marketing has not changed fundamentally. We only have nicer tools. Attribution is still great, and we should probably not erase ROAS from our reports, but they are part of a larger picture. Why do billion-dollar companies spend money on TV and billboard ads? Haven't they heard of how powerful return on ad spend is? They did get the memo, only they're doing something else too. They invest in brand lift, increasing their share of voice, maximizing their reach. They're fully aware that they don't create demand by a brilliantly designed, well-targeted ad. They know that they will have to keep the brand exposure up until the prospect makes the decision to purchase. The convincing is done before the decision is made. Your conversion rates will increase when you become a trusted brand. The more trust and exposure you build, the more stable your revenue becomes, which is ultimately what your finance department is looking for. Of course, you are not a billion-dollar company, so what can you do? It's the same as they do. Understand your customers and how you fit into their lives. Be present where they are and make sure you are visible to them with the right messages. So, investing in your brand awareness might sound like a crazy idea with its unattributable results and soft conversion goals, but eventually, that is the only way brands scale up and become great. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.